Hi guys, this is Kimi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, today as you guys can see, I've got another unboxing to do, and this is actually a piece of F1 memorabilia that's going to be added to my collection. And well, let me just get the cat out of the bag. This is the 2021 Kimi Raikkonen signed mini helmet by Bell, along with a display case that comes for the helmet itself. So yeah, without further much to say, let's go right in and start unboxing this really well sealed package. And while I'm doing this, let me tell you guys that I'm actually shooting this video through my new mobile, that is the Samsung S22 Ultra, which I was blessed to receive on March 5th actually. In fact, we ended up setting a Guinness Book of World Record in which we had the largest number of unboxing done simultaneously ever. So yeah, that was a nice record to have. And I actually got my hands on this new flagship phone by Samsung earlier than the rest of the pack. So right, so most of it is already unboxed, and as you guys, I don't know if you guys are able to see, but there are actually two different boxes that are placed side by side out here. So a lot of plastic being wasted here with all the wrappings and everything, but then the company F1 Authentics, they actually ensure that everything is very well packaged and secure, because it's not just mini helmets that they sell. They have a lot more things, far more precious and valuable. Okay, so here I have almost taken out all the plastic that needs to be taken out. And now I need to use my clippers to actually take out this strap on all the sides of the boxes. So here we have our clippers, and 1, 2, oh, and it's already gotten undone. So I'm guessing this is the, okay, so here it's written KRDC, which basically means Kimi Raikkonen display case. I don't know which is the right side up, so just let it be as is. And this thing out here still needs to be taken out. I need to dispose this off in a very eco-friendly manner later in the night. So right, so there's not much taping that's done other than the usual plastic packaging that these guys have. Okay, wow. Oh, this is quite beautiful. Let me show you guys. There you can see F1 Authentics written right there. They've obviously upgraded their packaging and the way they present it. It was enveloped by this cushioning of sorts. But yes, this is actually a Bell mini helmet. Some more packaging inside, and then okay, so I think this is actually the certificate of authenticity that we have. So yes, this actually says thank you for ordering from F1 Authentics, and this is our Instagram handle. There's a unique authenticity code, barcode on your product. Open the camera and then basically just scan the barcode, click the link, press next, and you'll get your authentication certificate. along with the barcode. So yeah, this is what it is. And then you actually even have a return form should you not have joy from owning a piece of F1 memorabilia. So there is one more thing. Of course, this is now my certificate of authenticity. I can't show you the other side because that contains the QR code. So yeah, that is the certificate of authenticity and the other things. Let's just put that back in. Okay, come on. Okay, there it goes. Nicely done. I really like this Velcro kind of packaging. Helps keep the stuff secure. And then you got this cute little thing, the 2021 Kimi Raikkonen mini line, the mini helmet half scale. Right, with this aside, which I will need at a later time because when I do shift to a new pad, I would be needing it. And here you have it. This is actually not the Emilia Romagna limited edition helmet, because that one actually had Mark Arnold, Kimi's physio, on the back, because he had completed a milestone of 400 races. And here you have it. Nice cute little sign right on the visor. That's been signed by Kimi Raikkonen. Aha. Looks so cute. Well, I will actually be showcasing my other helmets in one of my later videos, because there is still a couple of things that need to come down from the UK. You will know in the later months when I unbox the next two things that are yet to come in. And then once everything is sorted, placed in the right position, I will take you guys around showing what all I currently own in terms of F1 memorabilia. So yeah, this is the Kimi Raikkonen 2021 mini helmet, signed by the Iceman, of course. Well, you can see from my attire, I'm a big Raikkonen fan. Anyways, so this is done. That was the main thing. And now we can actually also check out how the display case is. Well, I think that is something that attracts a fair amount of interest as well. Let's just put this aside. We don't want it to get damaged in any way. Right, so once again you have this really secure packaging of sorts, and then you got this really nice bubble wrap that will kind of house this helmet. So yeah, let's just unwrap this and show you guys how this looks. I've already started the unwrapping process. Okay, oh my god, so this is actually wow, oh my god. So this is actually a customized display case. So let me bring it closer. And here you have it, Kimi Raikkonen 2021 signed limited edition half scale helmet. So you actually have the signed limited edition half scale helmet written right there. Now to mount it, you actually go like this. Okay, I guess the strap is coming in the way. There you go. And then you just put it like that. So this is actually how the Kimi Raikkonen signed half scale mini helmet looks. You've got the sign proudly displayed on this fascia. You actually have a very good side view as well. Then you've got a rear view. Of course, you got the F1 Authentics QR code, and then you've got the Kimi Raikkonen other side view of the mini helmet. So just to give you a close-up of how this helmet is, of course here you've got the signature of Mr. Kimi Raikkonen, the trademark Iceman signature on the visor itself. Right above it you've got Singer Corporation, which was actually Kimi's sponsor during his time at Ferrari, and then when he switched to Alfa Romeo in 2019, they switched as well. Then on either side of the edges of the visor you've got Carrera, that was the official eyewear for the team during the 2021 season. Then you've got the two title sponsors, that is Alfa Romeo and Orlen, which were the title sponsors for the team in 2021. Then you've got iLock, which again is Kimi Raikkonen's personal sponsor in Formula 1. And then here you actually have Bell written along with the latches for the Hans device. On the back of this helmet you have the logo of the Iceman, as Kimi used to be called in Formula 1, along with the names of his two children, Rihanna, like he calls her Rihanna, and then Robin. So two cute children, very talented, very sprightly, very jumpy and sprightly. And yeah, Kimi's Instagram stories are full of all their antics throughout the day. And then of course you've got Bell helmets written right here. So this is actually the mini helmet and all that is written on it. Before I forget, if you were looking at the Emilia Romagna mini helmet, then that was a limited edition helmet that got launched recently, and that has Mark Arnold's artwork right here, along with the 400th landmark race that he had in Emilia Romagna in 2021. Of course, Mark Arnold has been around since the Mika Häkkinen days, and then he switched over to Kimi once Mika did hang up his boots, and now he's returned to Formula 1, and he's actually sharing duties with Sebastian Vettel's other physio, Antti. So yeah, they will be at different races during different times of the year, and we will still see Mark Arnold at Formula 1 races in the paddock. So guys, this brings me to the end of the unboxing of the Kimi Raikkonen 2021 signed limited edition half scale helmet, and this is a very precious piece of F1 memorabilia for me to own, because this was Kimi's final year in Formula 1, and now of course he has become the team principal at Kawasaki MXGP. He loves his motocross, so, and he called it serious business, so obviously he knows where his priorities are post Formula 1 and the life that he spent there. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much for the support that you guys have given me over the past few months. If you guys are on Discord, and if you are from India, then please do join the PlayStation India Discord server. I will be leaving the link in the video description. So if you are actually in the market looking for a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox Series X, we can, through our bots, actually help you guys grab one of those units whenever they come out on sale next. Also, if you already own a console and you want to connect with the local gaming community, as well as stay in touch with all the gaming news that are happening in the country, then the Discord server is the place you need to be. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. There will be more YouTube content coming your way on my channel. I will be uploading things as and when I get time, and thank you so much once again for your support. Take care guys, stay safe. The pandemic is not yet over, but we are in it together, and we are going to emerge victorious. So stay safe and God bless you all.